I have my seat back? Because we're about to start recording.
Yeah. It's recording already?
Yes,
yeah.
it's...
Okay. Yeah.
This girl.
Hey guys, it's Tiana Nicole.
And...
Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
it's hot.
And when you smile,
Okay, it's not that hot because it's been out here for a
the
long
whole
time.
world stops.
You felt it? Okay, I told you.
Just the way you are. Yeah.
Love you, Dad. Hey guys, it's Tiana and
Daddy,
today we are making slimes. Woo.
we're making slime videos, guys. But first, before we get started, make sure you guys go check out
My merch.
our new website, Tiana Nicole, the real Tiana, realtiananicole.com.
Yes.
And I ain't fit yet. I ain't fit yet.com.
Yeah.
We both have our clothing up there, and she's selling what are you selling? What else are you
Slimes.
selling?
We're selling slimes. And I make these slimes myself, of course.
Yep.
So, yeah.
And check it out. Show them your label. Walk
Okay.
into the camera.
Okay. So here's this one. It says The Real Tiana Nicole, and it has my Instagram, my YouTube channel, and my
Hold it up, son, so they can see it.
website right there. Okay, so yeah. Make sure you go check all of those out. And today we are making slime, but on a timer, so
Yep, and she's gonna set the timer for you guys, for us, so that we can get started and we can make any slime we want to in how many minutes? What are we doing?
I don't know.
Let's do a 2-minute challenge.
Okay, yeah.
We're gonna do 2 minutes, guys.
2 minutes.
Does it take longer than that to make slime?
I don't know. We're gonna see.
Yep, we're gonna find out. But don't forget, check out our Instagram, our Facebook, and our website. The Real Tiana Nicole. I ain't fit yet. Tiana and Daddy.
And Tiana Nicole.
Yes. And she also have a shop, a slime shop. It's called Shop Tiana Nicole. Okay, and that's on Instagram at Shop Tiana Nicole. I have all the writing down there, so no worries. You guys will get all this information. But let's get started.
So I got this set up for you guys so you could watch if it turns off and we're still going.
Yeah.
So yeah, ready, set, start. Let's go.
This is the only problem. I don't have glue.
Here you go.
Yeah, this gonna take longer.
You're copying me. Okay. So I'll just use that. I'm not using too much of it because I don't really want to.
That's not purple.
Oh.
Give me an empty purple. Oh my gosh.
Now I'm using some, foam beads, pink foam beads. Ooh, this is a pretty.
All right, so we're on, baby. I'm kind of behind.
Because there wasn't any purple. I made this. Okay, I'm winning. How much time do we have
We
left?
got a little more than a minute left.
Okay. Dang, that's way too much. Okay. So I'll just take some out.
Okay.
That's it. I don't want to overactivate it because I love my slime.
Uh-oh.
How much time do we have? 22 seconds. No, I haven't even made slime yet.
Oh, we couldn't,
I still made it.
and we couldn't finish the clock. So we're just gonna show you guys what we're gonna finish it.
Yeah. I'm basically done. He's not done. But I'm done. See, mine's obviously slime. You can tell. And yeah. See, mine's slime.
She know I make really good slime though. She know
Yeah, true.
I make really good slime, so. I'ma just finish mine.
In slime videos, they usually have 5 minutes. I don't know why we chose.
I don't know why we chose to, cause we could have did it in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
For sure.
But here's my slime. I definitely did not overactivate it, and I'm not using hair gel at all.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't overactivate it.
Yeah.
I didn't. No, I didn't. I actually like the slime. I like it. I didn't think when I poured the foam beads it would be that good, but now I actually like it. I like it. It's nice. Okay.
Yep.
Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing.
You see that? Do you guys see that? Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Woohoo! So where are you going? March 22nd, I think it is.
Oh yeah! I'm going to a slime fest.
Say it louder.
I'm going to a slime fest.
What slime fest? Not just any slime fest.
Nickelodeon slime fest.
Yeah, we're going to the Nickelodeon Slime Fest, and when did you get the tickets?
Oh yeah, my dad decided to prank me.
Yep.
He put it in a box, and he put one of my own slimes in the box. What's it?
It's a lunchbox.
Slime. Oh,
What the heck?
Take it out.
It's her own slime. Oh, you mean what she made?
Take it out. Let me see.
Out.
That's cool.
Take out the tissue.
You mean she made the slime and he wrapped it?
Wait.
Oh, tickets to what?
What is that?
Nickelodeon slime fest.
Oh, cool. Let's see.
That's why you put the slime in there.
No.
Slime.
And then I was like so happy.
She was
really
super happy. She was super happy. It was so cool.
Yeah.
It felt so good. Cause the entire time she thought that she thought the big box, the box that it was in, she thought it was closed.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my God.
Yeah. I know. But that's just a plain red slime.
Yeah.
A plain red slime. Mine has like glitter and foam beads.
The hate is real. The hate is real.
What? Okay, but you guys need to come up close and choose who won. Because I know who won, obviously.
You think you know who won?
Yeah, I know.
You sure you know who won?
Yes.
Yeah.
So obviously mine's better, of course. But let me just add a little bit of hair gel so it could have a
Let her
better
add some
texture.
stuff to it. Who's using a lot of hair gel? Not Daddy. Not
to make it
Daddy.
have a better texture.
Not Daddy.
To make it have a better
Yeah.
texture.
Yeah.
But you're still adding stuff too.
No, I'm not. I'm
Yeah.
only adding what?
Yeah.
Baking soda.
Yeah.
Baking soda.
Yeah.
Baking soda.
I'm only adding hair gel. Yeah, sure. Whatever. See, mine's so much better, see? Yours broke. Mine could be used as a jump rope.
Look at that.
Mine's so good. You guys should comment down below to see who won. But obviously, you can tell.
Yes, definitely leave a comment down below. Let us know whose slime you guys think is the best. Hers or mine?
Mine is the best. Mine is the best. Okay, let's trade slimes to see how it is.
All right.
And then we can rate each other.
All right. Perfect.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh. Huh? What? I didn't say anything.
Yeah, you said something.
No.
Yeah, move this aside so they can see.
Okay. So let's move this stuff away so you guys could see our slimes. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I think we all know who won. I'm dropping stuff. Be careful. Be aware. Crazy dog. Yeah.
That's enough.
No, what?
Jeez.
No, wait, what?
This.
What?
You gotta put all this hot gel in.
It's so good,
Look
right?
at this.
Look, mine is so stretchy.
I know.
See?
Yours is super stretchy.
Hey, mine's perfect. Perfection.
Look at that. Look at that.
But watch me do ASMR. I call doing ASMR first.
I can't even. Jeez. Okay. So she's gonna do ASMR first. Okay.
Yeah, he doesn't really know what it is though.
It's ASMR.
Yeah, ASMR. Okay, come put that
Jeez, all
aside.
the glitter. I don't want it to get on me. So.
Okay, look. It's so pretty. Look how stretchy it is.
Nice. That is stretchy. What?
Do you hear that? Do you hear that? It's crunchy. It's really crunchy. Is yours crunchy?
Mine. Look. Mine's slimy though.
But mine's stretchy. Okay, it's your turn, Dad.
All right. Let me get started with my ASMR. So what? Can y'all hear that? Can y'all hear that? Y'all don't hear that? So, okay, so what I do next?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
Hold on, wait. I'm
Okay.
telling you.
So you like
Look at that though.
stretchy.
Okay.
Then just like stretch it. And then put it together and then swirl it.
Hold on, I could do a better swirl than that. I could do a better swirl than that. Hold on. No,
It's
trust me.
too stretchy.
Trust me, I know. Hold on. Let me roll it up. Hold on.
It's too stretchy.
All right, there we go.
Okay, yeah.
Almost. Watch. I'm gonna get it. Watch. Watch me get it, guys.
Oh wait,
It's about timing. It's about timing. It's about timing. Look, she.
I was able to do a swirl.
This is good. You know what? It's because it's really slimy. It's because it's really slimy.
Excuses.
But look, it's getting. Look,
Look, mine gets off.
it's getting everything off of my hand.
Okay, but watch me do a swirl, okay?
Here we go.
I was able to do one earlier. Listen, just listen. Does yours do that?
Okay. Hold on. Listen. Look, you hear? Shut up. Why you honestly? Look, hold on. Wait. No, y'all gotta listen very close. I did. It was one time. It said.
Sorry.
But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tiana and Daddy. Her channel, Tiana Nicole, and go to our Instagram, Tiana and Daddy, and all the other Instagrams that we named out. All right.
Look at mine. Mine's the best. Mine's the best. Mine's the best.
Mine the best.
Pick mine in the comments below. Listen to the crunch.
Listen to the crunch.
What crunch?
Listen, because she got bees in it.
Yeah.
Stop hitting me.
You stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you. You hit me.
Stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
Stop hitting you. Stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you.